Hey guys, it's me, Ari, and today I'm going to be, let's say, a new Honest Kids fan. So, I bought the Honest Kids merch, and I bought one of their books, which I'm going to bring out. How? I don't know how. But I would recommend that you buy Honest Kids Adventures Horse Hybrid. And it's by Sasha Onyx and Rita Onyx. So it may be backwards, but I know a trick, so you know, help me with that. And there's lots of pages, and it says, in book 13, two crazy professors had created what they think is a miracle, a horse with a human brain. But before they can study it, the horse hybrid escapes right to the Onyx house. Sasha and Shiloh think they have a new pony and can't wait to ride it. But what will they be taking for a wild ride instead? Honest Kids Adventures is a funny, thrilling, illustrated kids book series from the original series Honest Kids and Onyx Family on Onyx Books and YouTube. Honest Kids chronicles the adventures of a brother and sister, Shiloh and Sasha, and the entire Onyx family. The Onyx Kids encounter spooky creatures, crazy teachers, and weird friends who somehow all end up in the Onyx house, where all the comedy and drama ensure. So as you can see, I have this outfit of Sasha Onyx with her afro, and my mom is a big fan of her too, just a fact. And yeah, I'm gonna read it soon.